cop or soldier or whatever, you know?
The good thing is I have a lot of delivery right now. That's something that, it's funny because I was talking to my wife, and I was talking with a few business people about a year and a half ago, almost 2 years, talking about one of the things, for example, that a lot of the small businesses were going to have to eventually start to adopt in order to compete with like Amazon and all this online stuff, is delivery.
Yeah.
Like they were going to have to deliver because that was going to be a necessity at one point. And like now that's like literally that's the thing that is changing people's perceptions of whether they're going to go continue to do business with the place or not. Is, are they going to deliver it to me because I can't go to see that, you know, or I don't want to touch their stuff, you know, because other people have been touching it on the shelves or whatever.
Oh yeah.
And so it's like now people are forcefully having to deliver or to, you know, basically close up for good. There's other ways that they can still incorporate the things that are valuable to people. Because like I said, the value perceptions have shifted.
Yeah.
And so that's one of the things that, like you were talking about, like supporting local businesses and things. That's one of the things that I'm looking to help people do is to think about new ways to provide value for people. So that, you know, the businesses, I think it's like 80% of the businesses in the US are like small businesses, you know. I think 50% of them are closed or something like that, or more than that. I read the statistic not too long ago, but it's like, that's a humongous amount of them. And if they all remain closed, then those are huge problems because people are living paycheck to paycheck.
Yeah.
So if we can think about things differently and kind of start to think more about what people are valuing differently and how that's shifted, you know, we can find solutions to the situations. You know, they might not be the same solutions, but that's okay, right? We just pivot to a new solution and then, you know, we move forward from there.
Yeah.